Let's start by signing up for Monday.com. To get the best deal, click the link at the top of the description. Doing so will get you the best current offer that we have for Monday.com, and we'll start the tutorial from there. I'll click Get Started, and signing up is free. So create an account using your email address or your Google account, and then we'll navigate through the first few prompts. The first few screens will ask for some basic information. I'm here for work, and I'm a team member, and then I'll click Continue. In this tutorial, I'll use our small Medics Media team as an example. So I'll say 2 to 5 people for our team, and I'll say 1 to 19 for our company. Then I'll click Continue again. And then here, I'll select Other for what I'd like to manage first. And then Task Management for what I'd like to focus on first. You may get a few other questions. I'll click Other for what I've used in the past, and YouTube for how I've heard about Monday.com. Then Continue. I'll show you how to add team members later, and we can now exit the tutorial, so I'll click the X in the top right-hand corner. And we'll name our board together in a second, so let's close this as well. Perfect. Now we've landed in the main view of our new account.